This video was brought to you by Stormberg, a better route planner, MisterGreen, Kempower and Marcus Bil. Alright, we're back home now. Let's take a look at the result. So see here, Nokian R5, it did it actually in a decent amount of time. According to spec, it's 6.9 seconds. Actually, wow, right on par with the Model Y rear-wheel drive. Yeah, so not much else to say about that one. When it comes to horsepower, not that much. But wait, look at this. The Model Y has a lot more peak power, but this is all-wheel drive. Yeah, so okay. So this is a decent time, but however, compared to more comparable cars in that price range, then actually the Toyota bZ here, price-wise, it's actually the same as the Model Y long range. Where is it? No, it's up here. Oh shit! Oh wow. Okay, so I guess when it comes to acceleration, you don't get that much bang for the bucks. But when it comes to braking, however, look here, then, okay, it brakes relatively well, but again, I don't know if you guys see it here, but all the winter tires, they are on the bottom. Well, this is 60 profile tire, by the way. So as expected, when it comes to braking, when it comes to noise, you see that immediately when I started driving the car, I noticed that at low speed, it is actually very nice and quiet, and also the test shows it. Look here, 63.7 decibel. It's actually way better than the other ones here, because okay, we also have the average here. Oh, there's a formula here. Okay, maybe I should edit some live data here. There. But you see, there is actually a logarithmic average here, not just an arithmetic average. But you see that. The Toyota 63.7, what cars do we have that has 63.7? Mach-E, Neo ES8, look at that. EQC almost, look at that, huh? These are also winter tires. So that was my impression, that the Toyota at higher speeds, then it is not that great. 68 and 60, then it's on par with some of the other ones, let's say Model 3 or e-Golf or even the Plaid. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Wow, Plaid is even noisier at high speed. Yeah. So actually, the Toyota does it very well, at least at low speed. So this is good for Norwegians, because in Norway, many places, you kind of need to drive a little bit slow, and then you will actually experience a nice and quiet car, almost like e-tron, I feel like. But then at high speed, I'm not sure why it's like this. Maybe wind noise or something, but also I feel like the road noise is increasing more at higher speed. But okay, so now you guys have seen it. At least there are some good things about this Toyota. Yeah, so it's not like bad always. And also I should highlight maybe that the seats are good, and also I feel like the ride and the comfort is good in the Toyota. So I think that's going to be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.